Yo, so just documenting my trades for today, because it's easier for me to go over this through video versus a spreadsheet format. So my main things I traded today were, let's see, it's a GPTC, GBTC. Yes, I knew Bitcoin was gonna fall down because it was just going up too fast. I bought some here, but I should have stuck to my plan and sized like really down here, and then should have sold here instead of holding it through. Yeah, so I didn't stick to my plan in there, didn't execute properly there, and my also plan was not to just avoid this ticker, instead just purchase the real BTC, and I didn't stick with that plan either because worst case, I if I just purchase like actual BTC, I mean, um, I would have yeah, worst case I could just use it. And I looked at Riot and Mara, so I knew Riot was gonna go down as well from the same idea. Like I thought it was gonna go down, just BTC was gonna go down. Yeah, I wanted to short it. I also couldn't wanted to do a put. I didn't follow through with that idea, but I should have. Um, Besides that, yeah, so I should have swung this from the previous day. That was a mistake by me. I should have swung it. I guess checked in at like 1 a.m. and sold it. Um, that's also what I should have done with Mara. Yeah. Besides those swings, yeah, on the topic of swings, I should have also swung M over since it was finishing pretty strong. Let me check fossil. I guess that one I could have also swung as well. Um, but yeah, those were the main things. I also traded BA. I guess that's also something I could have swung since I did scalp this news, and it was, I guess, high probability it was going to continue going. Yeah, I also bought a put down here, but I didn't continue the idea all the way through. I should have, even though I lost money right here, I should have known like it was still going down, it was still trending down. So yeah, I should have held it all the way through, and I guess maybe even swung it the next day, or sold half since I bought a 200 put. Besides that, I also played PLTR. PLTR, I guess I could have swung it the previous day. I picked some up here, sold here, and yeah, I guess I should have also picked some up here. Uh, but yeah, it wasn't too bad of a trade. Could have done that a lot better. Jamia, I could have swung that from the previous day. Should have been more patient. Picked up calls here, made some money here. But yeah, I should have revisited idea and scooped back here, knowing like my I guess conviction here. But I guess I would have been a lot more comfortable if I kept like my base from here, and then didn't have to over trade it, didn't have to over manage it, just stress free ride, and that's just the easy $6 move or more. Yeah, around $6 move. But yeah, besides that, yeah, I also had snow. I had a snow call the other day from here. I think I sold it right here, but yeah, I could have swung that throughout the past few days now. Like 260, I don't feel comfortable buying at this level. But yeah, definitely a mistake on my part on that one as well. I think I already went over this. Besides that, Tesla, the SP 500 changed like 2 days ago. I should have uh, ca- scooped some up here actually or over here, knowing like it's still a good value buy. I believe in the company. But yeah, I guess I should have left the monitor open so I could not miss like this move. Obviously, I went long here, but I think it would have been less risk if I just bought a call. Less risk, less stress for me at least. But yeah, that was a good move overall. Um, and yeah, it started like dumping here as expected, I guess, as people cashing out. So I should have, I guess I could have also done a put here, shorted here, since I knew people were going to cash out. Besides that, I also traded CRSR. This swing has been doing really well for me. I kind of overmanaged it here. I don't know why I overmanaged it. I should have just stuck to my plan and continued it. Since I had high conviction, I should have scooped up a lot more here. or just sized a lot more into the swing since I had high conviction. But yeah, I messed up over there by not just sizing into this confidence. The other swing I did was Funko. I was um, still swinging this. I kind of overmanaged it here as well. But yeah, I should have sized in with my, I guess, pretty good conviction here. Maybe not as high conviction as the other trades, but I definitely could have sized in a lot more here. Um, Also, PCG was something I liked the chart, but I guess I was kind of scared of like fires and stuff. But I should have just swung it, I guess, for technicals. Worst case, like, yeah, I lose money, but it was a good trade. I should have taken this one. Besides that, I also traded ZM. Yeah, so there was news here. I should have scalped it with bigger size. Yeah, I guess that's something I could have done better. YY. I called out this earnings. I should have played it with a call. Like I had the idea and I did all the company research, but I guess I was too chicken. I should have done that call. And I guess it's okay that I lost, like didn't look at it anymore. But yeah, on this I should have sized down for this. Stayed with my conviction short instead of just keep flipping flopping. I did this participate in this long for a bit, and that was good. But yeah, also I kind of messed up by doing some market orders here, because I guess I was in a rush. I need to slow down, take it slow. But yeah, this market order, the spread was pretty massive, and that market order kind of messed me up actually, yeah, on the buys and especially the options. Yeah, so that was a big mistake. I took a loss there. I could have been a lot more green on this. Yeah, so I think those are my main trades. Nvidia, I was looking at it for the past few days, looking for the ramp. Couldn't get it or kept missing it. Should have set more alerts today, knowing it could have happened today or it was the last day for it to possibly happen. So I could have caught this move. It was a pretty massive move, like 29 to 43. Yeah, I should have caught that, but I didn't set enough alerts. I mean, I caught it, but not too big of a size because I had just some shares, like at the 533 level. And then yeah, I could have scalped this, but I had conviction to buy, or I had the idea to buy a put, but I didn't follow through with it. That's something I could have done, and I guess I could have printed, or I guess we'll see tomorrow morning. But yeah, probably should have believed in my idea there. Probably should have taken this bounce long, like 519 for Nvidia. That's a pretty good deal, I think, in my opinion. But yeah, those were summary of my trades today. I think that was most of my trades. So yeah, yeah, that's the trades I took today. Yeah, so it's yeah, I think I went over this. Yeah, I think I went over this. Okay, cool. That's all my trades for today. Just my journal entry for today, so I can just continuously like get better and remember what mistakes I did. Cool. Thanks.